how to use the trim tool, the split tool, and also the cut tool, or also known as delete tool, on your inShot video editor app for Android devices. And this is with the latest 2025 update. Let's get started. So let's say we're currently working with a video clip or multiple video clips. Now, if I want to use the trim tool, and let's say on this video clip here in particular, I want to trim the front and the end part of that video, I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. And when I do this, you are going to see the amount of time or duration of that video right here to the top right. And by pulling inward on these white tabs right here, that's going to trim it. So if I want to trim from the beginning of my video clip, I'll pull on it. Okay? And you'll see now it's a less amount of time here. Same with the end. That's trimming the end of the video. And of course, if you made any mistakes, as always, go ahead with the undo option right there. So undo and undo, okay? Now let's say I want to insert a split on my video that I'm editing right now. So in order to insert a split in a particular area of the video, you're gonna move this white bar here into that area. And to do this, you're not moving the bar, you're actually moving the video in the timeline section, okay? And it's gonna tell you how far in the video you are by looking at the seconds or the minutes right there. Now, once I find that spot that I want to add a split in, I will leave it there where the white bar is, and then to the top section here, you'll go over until you see split. And once I tap on split, right there, I will now have myself a split between the video. You can see that line right there. Now I'm gonna undo all this and show you how to cut a part out or delete a part out. So now to delete a part or cut a part out, we're gonna use the cut tool or delete tool, but first we need to use the split tool. So let's say I want to cut out maybe from here or maybe from here to here. So I'm gonna bring this white bar here and I wanna cut from here first. So we'll look for the split. You have to insert a split. Then I'm gonna bring it over to the end part of which I want to cut or delete. So I'll bring it over and I want to cut out from here to here. So I'll insert another split. And by doing this now, I will have a separated area right here. So I'll tap here, and I'm telling inShot right now that this highlighted section here is what I am going to delete. And in order to delete it or cut it out, you'll look for the delete tool, which is right next to the split one here, okay? This one right here. So once I do this, that's gonna remove that part or cut out that part for me. And of course, if you made any mistakes, you cut the wrong area out, just go with the undo, undo your splits also. And you wanna do this before you save the video, then try again. And if this guide helped, like and sub.